Hello, we're going to apply loopback mode on a exfo unit. So let's go to start. Oops. Exfo. I need to what? And this takes a little while. I believe that every application this will take a while as well. And this takes a while as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to apply loopback mode so that the central site can run tests against it. Ignore that. Okay. Next thing is loopback tool. We can check our interface. The loopback, what we do is we plug into port 2 on the top of the exfo. So that's on the left hand side, but port 2. Ideally, you want to make sure we've got the right interface setting because this affects, if we give a percentage, this will affect the percentage. Say, for example, if it's on 10 meg and you set 10%, if you go to 100 meg and set it to either 0.1% or 100%. So you've got to, when you change interface speeds, double check your requirements. So we're okay there, link is down. Because the unit is not running. Network. Still need network. So, for our testing, we might use DHCP. That's what we can use there. If we needed to, we can set default gateway. At the moment, we need an IP address. That's my test IP. This is unit number 2. And because essentially these units are back-to-back, so there's no routing in the middle, we don't need a gateway. If required, we would set a VLAN. So this effectively puts the interface into trunk mode. And the VLAN is set here. So 100 or whatever you need. On the default. However, for this testing, you don't need VLAN setting. So we untick that and we have an access port on port 2. Back interface, all good right now. Big back tool, back mode, that's okay. Then we click loopback and we are looped. We can at this point press close. We could look at the results. The traffic. There you go. So, right, so we're looped back and we're looking at the traffic stats. Now, what I'm going to do is set my exfo running. So the exfo or the Y1564 is a standards-based test. I think it favours internet providers really, but it's a bit like the old RFC 2544 test, which is a standard set number of tests that will run. Okay, so just check my settings are correct. So I am up 100 full duplex, yep. Network, my IP address is 10.0.0.1/24, no gateway, no VLAN required. In the services box, I want to transmit, just for the sake of argument, 10 megabits per second. To a destination of 10.0.0.2. That's good. Right, I should hit start. What's going to happen first is it's my master exfo is going to start running some tests. I don't think you're going to see any traffic just yet. So it's checking the configuration, latency and things like that. Need to hit that. Okay, my mistake. You look at the traffic generated in the loopback tool. Okay, so there we go. We're receiving 10 meg and you're transmitting 10 meg back. And what will happen is I will collect on my master exfo all the stats and generate the report. So I think you just need to leave it in this mode. The Y1564 test takes about 10 to 15 minutes. We won't wait that. I'll stop it there.